Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord lift his countenance upon you and give you peace. Give you peace. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious, and be gracious. The Lord be gracious, gracious unto you. Amen. Amen. Amen.